Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat logging you out. So just simply go to your Snapchat and go back home screen, and you have to check into your Play Store that Snapchat is app is up to date or not. If not, so you will have to up to date. So this is having update. So you click to update, so it will be updating the app with new features, so it will update it and installed. So I will open it, Snapchat. So it's have to be in loading. So you just simply go to the profile icon on the Snapchat. So go to the settings of the top right corner of this and scroll down and click to saved login information where you were, where you have to logged in previous. So there are the four phones devices, so you have to delete this. Click to minus button and it will be automatically deleted. So delete this device on this all saved information login. So go back and simply click to log out and click to yes. So you have to simply logged out, so it will be logging you out from Snapchat. So now you will be logging out of Snapchat. This is how to logging out from Snapchat. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.